Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
In this third session, we'll come to know that so many questions arises in this picture of drama. So you will get answers of those questions. So many people have many questions. Those who are especially non-BK, they ask that you in Bharat, the scripture says that even one era is millions and millions years. So now you have completed the whole kalpa within 5,000 years. So where from this figure come? 5,000 years. Before that, I used to speak about one sun in the center. Whereas scientists say...
He's gone.
Pardon?
The sun is gone. He's away. He's gone.
So actually, what happens that we say one sun is the center point, but they say there are many suns. And they say there are many planets like Earth also. And so many galaxies. And it's very big, they say. But actually these are illusion, not reality. How? You see, I spoke about that the sun rays bends and touches the end of the space and returns. So, how it is illusion? You see, the scientists used to study the planet and this whole astronomy. They have only one medium, that is only telescope. Nothing other, only one. By telescope they used to study. So suppose they keep one powerful telescope in this direction with the help of satellites, suppose, in this direction. And if the sun rays bend and fall on that telescope, so by the reflection they will find that sun is somewhere here. But actually it is not here, this is the reflection. Suppose one other telescope they put in this side, and if sun rays bend and fall on that, they will find sun somewhere there. If they put many telescopes, they will find many sun. But this is illusion. Sun is only one and it is in the center point. In many Murlis, Baba speak about that this is one God, one creation. So, in many Murlis, Baba said, there is no other earth like this. They think that some aliens may be coming from that earth. But no, there is only one earth and one sun, one sky. Everything is in one. So, one more thing. You see, sometime before, there's one NASA scientist told that they found ice in a Mars. A Mars. You see, they used to study only by telescope. For an example, suppose I go to hospital for my checking. If doctor says that you need to get the test report, blood test, foreign, this test. If I do test and keep the result before the doctor, then only he can diagnose that what really you have problem. Then according to that he give medicine. So when physically we need testing, so would they not need to test that what they saw? Suppose with the powerful telescope, they saw some white thing on a Mars. Okay, but those are not tested. So how can they claim that those are ice only? It need to be tested, but it is not done. So everything what they tell, scientists they are not true. Of course, the matter which is logical we can believe, but everything what they tell may not true. This cannot be true. That's why. So, and one more thing, you see, all the rays touching to the end of the space and turning. All the rays. So, if you look or observe this corporeal world from outside, out of the space, that may be from the subtle world or soul world, suppose. So then, just to visualize, so you can see in the border of the corporeal world, a thick dense light aura in the border. What are those aura? Those are only the lights of sun only, which is coming and bending. So thick dense light aura will be visible if you see from out of the space. Mm-hmm. So if those scientists, if they observe those galaxies, if they could see those thick dense light, so they may be thinking that they may be considering those thick light as Milky Way galaxies, but they are not galaxies. What they say about galaxy, the thick dense light, and they think about that on those thick dense lights, so many galaxies are there, many suns and many solar families. But no, it is not possible. Baba said in Murli, there's a one universe, one God, one universe, one sun, one sky. So these all are illusion what they say. In fact, actually sun is only one, solar family is only one, stars may be many, but those are also connected with the gravitational force to each other. That's why they cannot go outside this family orbit. So now, the next question is, you see, where from the figure of 5,000 came? The answer is that there is only one answer, no other answer, that is God said. That's all. But even then, to understand this logically and make others to understand, I shall give you some logical point. You see, this picture is made by Shiv Baba by granting transvision to sisters. And here, in every era, 1250 years Baba written. Baba shown 1250 years. So now as you heard both the session, so you can understand that if anyone is asking why kalpa is, the duration of kalpa is 5,000 years, it means he is asking that why third motion is 5,000 years. So to understand why third motion is 5,000 years, the first of all, we need to understand that why first motion is 24 hours. Why first motion is 24 hours, why second motion is 365 days. So, to understand that, first of all, that why first motion is 24 hours, let us see. See, we understood that first motion happens due to Fleming's left hand rule. You saw yesterday. So, here, and the magnetic field force and gravitational force, these two causes this mechanical force to develop, and this force is rotating Earth. Okay, but now at present, why it is 24 hours, I am telling that reason. So now the gravitational force is maximum. Suppose this is 100. But at the same time, the magnetic field is minimum. Why magnetic field is minimum? You see, only iron become magnet, and magnet pulls only iron, neither gold, silver, other metals, they never become magnet, and magnet never pulls those metals, only and only iron. And among them iron, even the stainless steel also never become magnet, and magnet doesn't pull stainless steel also, only the iron.
Roos by staal.
Iron. So you see, now at present on the globe the lands are scattered, and where from we get iron? From the mines. So it means in the soil, iron ore is there, and we process that and get iron out of that. But now all the soil lands are scattered over the globe. So iron is scattered. So which is scattered, the power becomes less. So that's why if the gravitational force is maximum, suppose this is 100 and this is 25, suppose. So after destruction, after nuclear war, the same value will be reversed, because all the land which is scattered outside will go inside and will form a huge land inside. So when maximum land inside, gravitational force become minimum. But at the time of that nuclear war, due to that high temperature, wherever the iron may be, all those iron will melt, and the magnet pulls the heavy metal first. So at that time, all the iron scattered all over the globe will melt and will be pulled inside first. So when all the land will go inside, the first iron metal will be inside, whole iron element, and it will be in one unit together. So when iron comes together, the magnetic field becomes stronger, and it is 100. So
And then copper comes.
pardon?
Then the copper comes on it. Copper age.
Yeah, when copper start, no, not like here, not there, here. After nuclear war,
Yeah, I mean, but the copper on Earth will also go inside, no?
yeah, copper will also go on.
So first iron and then copper comes.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, right.
Right.
You're right. So
And then they come after also the same.
yeah, after
First copper, then
here it will come copper and iron.
and then iron after copper again, because it's underneath.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah.
So
About the same.
when the iron is together,
Yes.
then the magnetic field will be stronger. That means it will become 100, and the gravitation will 25. Now at present, gravitational is suppose 100, then this is 25. After destruction, it will be reversed. The gravitational force will 25, and the magnetic field will be 100. So when this just reverse, even then the ratio is the same. Now it is 100, this is 25. So according to that ratio, that that force is being developed, and that's why this is 24 hours now at present. But after destruction, when this value will be just reversed, gravitational force instead of 100 it will be 25, and magnetic field instead of 25 it will be 100. But when this will be totally reversed, but the ratio is same, 25 and 100. No matter it is ratio is value is changed, but the ratio is the same. When ratio is the same amount of force will be developed. So that's why after destruction also in golden age and silver age, always it will be 24 hours for one rotation. So throughout the kalpa, for one rotation it takes 24 hours. That is why here, if it could differ, then Baba would write something else here. But no, Baba written 1250 years each era. Because this is 24 hours throughout the kalpa. So when the speed of first rotation, first motion is not changing, then the second motion, the speed of second motion also will not be changed. Because according to that speed, that centrifugal force is being developed, and that's why this is 365 days for one revolution. When this speed is not changing, then this speed of the speed of third motion also will be not changed. If this becomes faster, then this also may become faster. If this is slow, then instead of 5,000 years, it can be 8,000 years. But no, Baba said 5,000 years means 5,000 years, not a single second differ. So this is the reason, the first motion, the speed not changing, second is not changing, and when second speed not changing, then third speed also will not change. And that is 5,000 years, and it is said by Baba. If any other scientist want to check whether it is 5,000 years or not, then he has to go out of the space till 5,000 years and he have to check. And it is not possible for any human being.
Brother, can I ask again to go not to lower the voice?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Because I got habit. Why? Because the lot of groups comes. That's why.
Yes, yeah, I see.
Thank you.
So can you calculate the 5,000 from the 24-hour and the
Actually, this calculation cannot be done by mathematical calculation. Why? Because these three motions, the reason behind three motions are different. That's why mathematical calculation cannot be done. And by that we cannot prove that thus this is 5,000 years. So it can be understood like that. And only we say it is only God, Shiv Baba, who is looking from the top. That's why he told that it's okay. We have to believe. We've been a symbol near any scientist, they say we believe. So he is the scientist of the scientists. So we have to believe that. And we do not bother that whether that person is believing or not. It is up to them. But who the Baba's child, who will be, he can believe. So we don't bother. Only our duty to give information. This is the fact. With the leader, it is their matter. So that is why, so this is like that. So now I am coming to the next point. You see, here Baba used to say that this is a huge play of drama. The huge play. Now, in here at present, any play, whether it is cricket or tennis or football, any play, each and every play have their own rules and regulations. And according to that, that winners and losers are selected, finalized. So Baba said this is a huge play of drama. So will not this play will have any rules and regulations? Definitely it will have. So what is the secret of drama? So these rules and regulations are the secret of drama. So what are the rules? What are the regulations? So this huge play runs, the whole drama runs according to only 4 principles. Only 4 principles. And these principles are also considered as the law of karma. It's the same thing. Law of drama, the principle of drama and law of karma are the same thing. So, and these huge drama have 8 unique specialties. 8 unique specialties. So we consider 4 principles as rules and 8 specialties as regulations. So now we will find that what are those 4 principles. The first one is the person who does endeavor, they deserve the result. If I do any action, the result of that. If I do anything, you are not supposed to get that result. I will do, I will get. You will do, you will get. So the endeavors deserves the result. This is the first one. The second one is, as the quality of action we do, the same quality of result I will get. If I do good action, good deeds, I will get good result. If I do bad deed, I will reap bad result. So that's why it is so, as you sow, so shall you reap. So this is the second one. And the third principle is for now. It's now or never. Now or never. You see, for an example, if you go to market village, so the seller who sells the product, the company used to keep some temptation for buyer. Someone say you buy one, get one free. Someone say that you buy one, get one lottery ticket or something. So that customers tempted and they buy it. Similarly, Baba also gives some temptation to his children. Baba have 2 schemes for we children. The first one is, Baba says that if you obey my one Shriman and do one good deed, Baba will give result multiple times more. This is the first one. Second temptation Baba gives, second scheme, that if you come forward one step you come forward, Baba will help you 1,000 steps then. So these are the 2 schemes. But these 2 schemes are only applicable here in the confluence age only. This scheme is not, these schemes will not be applicable whether in golden age, in silver age, copper and iron. No. Only here. So now or never. And the fourth principle is, once we take chance to do endeavor and get result, every kalpa we will take chance. Because it will be repeated identically. Someone say that once I did in last kalpa good deed, So this kalpa, when this will be repeated automatically, then why should I do again? Someone say. But Baba says, since it repeats identically, so when you did effort in last kalpa, then only you got result. But now you don't want to do, but get the result. How it is possible? So identically repeat means you, last kalpa you did effort, so this kalpa also you have to do effort. Then only you will get result. It is not like that automatically nothing happens. Everything we have to do it. Because you have done last kalpa, you have to do this kalpa also. Then only you get result. So, the fourth principle is everything, every event repeats identically as it is. So, these are the four principles. Now, 8 specialities. The first one, the number one speciality is, Baba says drama is accurate. This drama is accurate. So what does it mean by accurate? It has two meanings. The first meaning is that nothing wrong. Whatever is happening is good. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. So this is the first speciality, the first meaning of accurate. But if you say that someone is doing a wrong thing against Shrimad, then you can ask, is it not wrong? Is it accurate? Is it okay? So Baba says, yes, it is okay. He is doing wrong. This is wrong. But he is doing the same wrong which he did last kalpa. So that's why some new wrong he is not doing. So second meaning of accuracy is nothing new. So meaning of accuracy, two meanings. If you take only one meaning, then you will be confused. So you have to understand both meanings. So both meanings is nothing wrong, nothing new. So that our waste thought will stop. So this is the first speciality, drama is accurate. Second one, this drama is beneficiary. Whatever is happening, it is something good for me. Something good. So in Bharat, one very common story is there, you might have heard, that one king and his minister, the king cut his finger. Then minister told whatever happened is good. So king was angry and put him into jail.
Yeah.
And king went in jungle for hunting. Some dacoits caught them for giving sacrifice to deities. So when they found that cut finger, then they left it. So because cut body cannot be sacrificed before deities. So then he became safe. And minister was safe because he was put into jail. So then king could understand that what happens is good for us, is beneficial for us. So whatever is happening is good for us. At that time when it is happening, we may not understand, but later on you can understand that whatever happened good. So, and the third speciality is, this drama is full of justice. This drama is full of justice. No injustice is there. But someone can say, everywhere I am to find injustice. But Baba says, no, everything is injustice. For an example, suppose one man stopped anyone and one other man is coming from other direction, but route is same, but he doesn't know what happened here. So when he is coming closer, the man who stopped another one, he blamed that unknown man, and he probed and he put him into jail. So that man who has gone into jail, he will say that is injustice. I did nothing. But Baba says, no, this is justice. What is justice? By in your some any birth before you stabbed anyone and you were free. Now without stabbing go to jail. So everything is justice. The result of course if you don't get result in this birth, in any birth you will get the result. But you have to read that. So this drama is full of justice. Now, fourth one. The fourth speciality is so many actors, so many souls are playing role in this drama. All the souls choose their role by their own. God never says that you become king, you become slave. No. We souls are responsible for getting next birth what they will be. According to our endeavor, according to our karma. So, each and every soul choose their role by their own. This is the fourth. And fifth one, all the souls, the actors in playing a role in this drama have their own capacity. Each and individual soul have their own capacity. For an example, suppose there is a one bulb, light bulb of 5 watts and one bulb is of 100 watts. So the 5 watt bulb will illuminate only 5 watt illumination and the 100 watt bulb will illuminate 100 watt illumination. So we cannot blame that 5 watt, that why you are not giving 100 watt illumination, because its capacity is such. Similarly, all the soul also have their own intellect, own capacity to do, own capacity to understand. Every soul cannot understand as all the souls are, according to their capacity. Similarly, so we cannot blame any soul that you are guilty, you are false. No one. So we have to consider each and every soul as innocent. Why? Because it is their own capacity to do. For example, suppose I am a very big businessman and I have some workers. So one of them which has low IQ, and by their low understanding, he did some mischief, and due to that, I got a very big loss in my business. So I cannot blame him that due to you I am getting lost. My benefit, my loss, I am responsible for that. Okay, he became instrument. I had to get lost, but he became instrument because of some karmic account with him. So, he didn't do anything. He didn't do a mischief. But it is low IQ. So, his own capacity. So, that's why we have to consider. And we have to understand and accept this one. If we don't understand, don't accept this, then West thought cannot be stopped. So this is a very deep point to understand and accept. So this is the fifth speciality. Every soul have their own capacity to understand, own capacity to do. And the sixth one, the sixth specialty of this drama, you see, during this 5,000 year duration, Baba used to say, each and every soul will have 3/4 happiness. 3/4 happiness. Each and every soul. Whether any soul playing role right from the beginning of kalpa, from golden age, whether some soul is playing role from silver age, that means soul arriving directly from soul world to here. He missed this. So even then he will get 3/4 happiness. So 3/4 happiness. It is very important to understand. In one Murli, I remember the date. Of course, many Murlis this point came, but particularly in that Murli, that the date is the 26th October 2021. 26th October 2021. In that Murli, Baba said, if you soul have half sorrow, half happiness, no, this is not good. No benefit. No, you children will have 3/4 happiness. 3/4 happiness. Now again in one Murli, the date of that Murli is, 12/11/2021. 12 November 2021. In that Murli, Baba said just opposite. Baba said that half sorrow, half joy, half sorrow, half happiness, this is the godly law. Every soul had to reap half sorrow, half happiness. So these 2 points are opposite. So many souls confused and came to me how it is. Then I also got confused for a while. Then next Amrit Bell I asked Baba. Baba, both Murli are yours, and you told in this Murli this and this Murli in this. How it can be? Baba replied, both are okay, both are right. Baba replied me, both points are right. So I asked Baba how it is right. Then Baba explained it. Very wonderful explanation Baba gave me. You see, Baba said that the 3/4 happiness, it is the matter of time period. The 3/4 happiness, this is a matter of time period. And the half sorrow, half joy, this is a matter of quantity. So both are different. How it is different? For example, you see, suppose one soul playing role right from the beginning of golden age, and Baba says 3/4 happiness he will get. It means he is playing full duration role, 5,000 years. So this soul will get 3/4 of 5,000 years. That means that is the end of copper age. The 3/4 of 5,000 is the end of copper age. Till the end of copper age, you will get happiness. Suppose one soul miss golden age and directly come from soul world from here. So this soul will also have 3/4 happiness of this period, from starting from here to here. So of this period he will get 3/4 happiness. Suppose one soul start to roll from here. So he will have 3/4 happiness of this 2,500 years. So one soul, suppose he plays role one birth, in one birth. So his one birth, he will have happiness of duration of one birth only. So this is the factor of time period. But suppose the soul who is playing role from here, right from here, and he is getting happiness up to the end of copper age. So, for example, so the total amount of his happiness, suppose it is 12 million ton. Suppose 12 million ton. Of course, weight is not there. This is for to understand example. So, suppose right from here till the copper age, the total amount of his happiness right from here, total amount is 12 million ton. But thus, in the short period, he has to see the same amount of sorrow here. 12 million ton sorrow here. How is that? You see, the soul in so many births, he has seen only happiness. So that soul has sanskaras of happiness. How sanskara build up? By the karma which repeatedly they do, it builds the sanskara. So these soul have sanskara of happiness. They never seen sorrow during this many births. So they have deep rooted happiness sanskara. So now when he faced little sorrow, he feels that sorrow as multiple times more. He feels that because it is little for him, but little for any other soul, but it is multiple times much more.
Yeah.
So because he has deep rooted happiness sanskara, he never seen sorrow. So thus the equal amount of happiness and sorrow. So Baba told that this is a matter of quantity. So thus both are right. Now, the seventh speciality of this drama is during this 5,000 years drama, during this 5,000 years period, how many seconds it may be. But Baba says, even a single second of any time in between, within 5,000 years, any second will not match other second within 5,000 years. Baba says not a single second match other second. And this point has very deep secret. It has three meanings. The first meaning is, suppose you in this name, in this form, in this birth, in this language, in this qualification, you cannot repeat the same role in your any 84 births. Only this time you can repeat. And neither any other soul can repeat this role in any his birth. It means even 1 second history of any soul will not match other second history of any other soul. So each and every soul's roles are unique. We all are unique, different. So this is the first meaning. So we can say that history, 1 second history will not repeat within 5,000 years, but it will repeat next 5,000 years at the same time. The second meaning is, now today the date is 23rd March 2025 and it is suppose 10:10 a.m. This second now we are having discussion of knowledge. Someone is sipping tea. Sorry. So this second we are discussing about knowledge, and someone is entering the main gate. Someone is waiting for train in railway station. Some soul took birth, some took face death. The next second, the whole scenario of drama will be changed. Within a second, the scenery will be changed. I was talking some point 1 second before some other point, now I am explaining some other point, the same explain. And the person which is entering main gate might have come forward 10 steps ahead. So every second scenery of whole universe in this drama is changed. And every second scenery is changing. Baba used to speak at this point in Murli. Baba says, suppose before Baba one fly is moving. The same fly will fly next kalpa at the same time and before Baba. No other fly will not come to fly. So this is the scenario. Every kalpa, it repeats identically. So this we can consider the geography. Scenario means geography. So 1 second geography will not repeat within 5,000 years, but it will repeat in next kalpa at the same time. And the third meaning of this is, you see, today the date is 23rd March 25 and this is 10:14. This second, now this second, this location of our Earth planet is this manner. Last year, 23rd March 24, this orbit was like this before. Now 1 year ago and the change. It means the location in the in space, all the location of planet will differ. Not a second location will match other second location of each and every planet. So we can say that the same location will be next kalpa, not within this kalpa. So we can say that astronomy. So 1 second astronomy will not be within 5,000 years. So these are the three meanings: history, geography, and astronomy. Now, the seventh speciality of this world drama, seventh speciality is this is seventh one, no? This is seventh one. So now the final eighth one. Yeah. The eighth speciality is, you see, Baba says, we all souls reside in soul world and come one by one. One by one. One soul comes from soul world and enters in mother's womb. Soul forgets everything. Who is he, where from he has come, how long he has to stay, where to, what, everything. So this is like a play of mage. So soul once come, since they forget everything, the soul cannot go back to soul world with its soul.
Play of mage. What is play of mage? Oh, maze. Maze.
Yeah.
Can we close the door, maybe? For the sound of the...
There's a work is going on. You can't stop it. So, the thing is, this is a one-way traffic. Soul come from soul world. So, this is a one-way traffic. Soul can come from soul world, but cannot go with its own. Unless and until Shiv Baba comes here to take us back. So this drama is one-way traffic. Soul can come but cannot go back. Until and unless Baba comes to take us back. So this is the eighth speciality, and it has a deep meaning also. You see, what is that deep meaning? You see, when Baba says, I'm also bound in this drama to come here to take you back. So, Baba comes at the last, and the soul who became Brahmins like us, we practice Raj Yoga. Since we are practiced, so after final destruction, we all Brahmin soul will fly to subtle world immediately, because we have practiced. But the soul who do not practice yoga, who do not practice meditation, those soul, even after final destruction, those soul cannot fly to subtle world. They want to go, but in the border of the corporeal world, they go and stack up and go. They go and come. They cannot cross the corporeal world border. Why? Because they are body conscious, and on their head accumulations of sins are lot. So those sins are pulling them. They cannot go. But Baba has to vacate this whole universe. So at that time, Baba, by his own power, he pulls all the soul and take to them to the subtle world and leave before Dharmaraj. It is only Baba.
Can you repeat that, please?
Pardon?
Can you repeat?
It is only Baba who has power to take all souls with its own power, and he pulls all the soul, and because those souls cannot go. So it is only Baba, by Baba's power, they catch all the souls and bring them to subtle world and leave them before Supreme Adjudicator, where from they get punishment of sins. When they become purified, then only they can fly to soul world.
It's like a kind of border control. Border control? Like
Yeah, you cross the border.
Yeah.
Baba make them cross the border because they cannot go. So it is only that is why Baba is called his liberator. He is only Baba, his liberator. He grants liberation. So these are the 8 specialties of Brahma.
So souls who want to, let's say halfway the kalpa, want to go to soul worlds. Like in some religions, they want to go directly to soul world.
No, it's not
they want
possible.
to pass the subtle world.
Not possible. Until and unless the final destruction happens, no soul can go subtle world. And you see, in the halfway, subtle world is not existing. Subtle world is only in the confluence age. So halfway no one can go. Only if Baba wants to grant transvision, so Baba make them realize, but they cannot go in real.
Also, like then, subtle world is like a coffee filter.
Yeah.
Coffee filter, where like a white filter, souls come through and filter, and
Yeah,
then
they
go
feel.
clean and then go up.
Yeah, Baba make them feel. Yeah. But in real, they do not go. They don't go. So, Om Shanti, my third session is over here.
Thank you.
So, you see, you will find all answers within this 4 principles and 8 specialities. This is the secret of drama. If once you understand and accept it, your West thought will be stopped immediately.
Thank you.
Thank you.